National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Pickaway County, Franklin County, Ohio, until 9:15 p.m. At 8:33 p.m., radar indicated a severe thunderstorm located near Orient, moving northeast at 35 miles an hour. Storm hazards include winds to 60 miles an hour, quarter-size hail. Locations impacted include Grove City, downtown Columbus, Upper Arlington, Ohio State University, Reynoldsburg, Easton, Gahanna, Westerville, New Albany. In addition, Commercial Point, Darbydale, Lockbourne, Urban Crest, Lincoln Village, Obitz, Valley View and Marble Cliff are near the path of this severe thunderstorm. This includes the following interstates: Interstate 70 between mile markers 93 and 111, Interstate 71 between mile markers 91 and 120. Seek shelter in a sturdy building. Stay away from windows and doors until the storm has passed. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.